Welcome to Ridgeview. My name is Derek Langfield, Agent Extra with the agency. 945 Fletcher Lane in Hayward. Let's take a look at what this beautiful condo has to offer. This gorgeous lower level intimate condo offers 2 beds, 1 1/4 bath, laminate floors, granite countertops, and so much more. Priced at $429,000. Set in the heart of Hayward, this is commuters' dream. We are a stone's throw away from major freeways, mass transportation, and downtown Hayward, where shops, restaurants, and nighttime entertainment await. This homey condo is versatile. You can sit in the living room or dining room and let your mind wander while gazing at the partial bay views, or it can handle a night of entertainment and building memories where friends and family hang out in the living room and outdoor area. Do not miss your opportunity to own this charmer. Contact me today with any questions or to set up a showing. My name is Derek Langfield, Agent Extra. Have a great day.